Most people have tried sorting a list and accidentally scrambling the data because you didn't do it correctly. Well, no worries. There is an easy fix. Sorting and filtering an Excel sheet are actually pretty easy to do. So, here is a list of just dummy data I have, and you can see that there are some headers right here. What we want to do is we want to filter it maybe by department or sort it by department. Maybe you want to sort it by the date. Or maybe you want to see what is approved or what isn't approved. What you want to do is highlight the headers. I'm going to click number 1, and that is going to highlight the headers. And then either on your home tab, you click the button sorting and filtering and editing, and then you just click filters. And now we have the filters on. I am going to undo that for right now, and I'm going to show you another way. So I'm going to highlight number 1 row as well, the headers. Go to the data, and then click filter. You can also click sort. And voila, it's here again. So now let's say I want to sort the dates. I want to go from the oldest to the newest dates. Well, go into where it has the drop down, click that, and then you'll say oldest to newest or newest to oldest. I'm going to say oldest to newest. And voila, now we have sorted all the expenses, oldest to newest. Now, maybe I want to see what is approved and what isn't approved. So if I click this drop down, and instead of filtering A through Z or Z to A, I am just going to I'm going to uncheck no, which means I'm only checking yes. So if I click OK, now we can see everything that has been approved. All the expenses have been approved. And then up here, there is a funnel icon, I believe it is. Pretty much that means that there's currently a filter that is going on. And it's important to know this because if you weren't familiar with the Excel sheet, you wouldn't know that there are actually expenses in this column that says no. So click this, make sure we select all, click OK, and now we can see all of the expenses. Okay, what about if I want to do multiple filters or multiple sorting? So let's see, I want to sort it by department. So I'll click A to Z. I would sort it by all the departments. And then I want to see all of the ones that are not approved. So if I unclick yes and I have no, now I can see what expenses have not been approved by department. That's not a ton of them, so it's not really a good example. So I'm going to uncheck that. And then let's see, what can we do? I am going to sort by total cost, largest to smallest. And then I also want to sort by, I want to sort by department. So now what we see is I filtered by total cost first. So now we have highest to lowest. And then that itself took the sorting off of the department. So I went back and sorted by department again, which means that now it is sorted by departments, and in each subsection, so this one's finance, it is the unit that the total cost is highest to lowest. HR is highest to lowest. IT is highest to lowest. Marketing is highest to lowest. And voila, that's how we make sure that everything is filtered correctly and sorted correctly. So I hope you all are healthy, wealthy, and a little bit wiser now. Thank you so much.